Saturday, June 14th. Mark that on your calendar. C8 Corvette Meet and Greet from 8 to 10 a.m. Brownwood, Paddock Square in the Villages, Florida, across from the entrance to 2J's Deli, Bakery, and Restaurant. Farmers Market is also going that morning, so plan to visit the Farmers Market. It's great. It's a great market. Okay, let's look at 2J's Restaurant, just to give you an idea of where we are. We're actually 180 degrees. Well, actually, if you walked out the front entrance and listed a little bit to the left, you could go right to the parking lot. But I'm going to show you what it looks like. But before I do that, I want to take a look inside, because I've always talked about 2J's Restaurant. I never show you the inside. So here we go. There's a lot of deli items in there. There's great food, great bakery, and just a great restaurant. And you can't go wrong getting something to eat there. So that's an alternative, and it's right across the street. You can walk right across the street. It's right there, and there's a little shot of the restaurant. And you can also eat outside. Not bad. So anyway, let's make and turn the drone 180 degrees, and you can see, first of all, you'll see Route 44, which is off in the distance, and you can see the banana Corvette down there that will give you an idea of where the meet and greet will take place. Also, remember that you don't have to own a C8 to be part of the deal. You can come up and have any other Corvette. The only thing that I ask you is that please let all the C8s park together. A lot of people like to come up and compare the different C8s. So there's 44 out there. So Saturday, June 14th, 2025, C8 Corvette Meet and Greet from 8 to 10 in the morning, Brownwood, Paddock Square, parking lot, the Villages, Florida, and I hope to see you there. Loads of C8s. And the only thing we ask is that you let all the C8s park together. That's the only thing we ask from the whole event. All right, hope to see you there. Mark your calendar, June 14th, 8 to 10 in the morning.